This video tutorial explains the image config function of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5-4WR, BM5-4, and BM7-DS models. Tap the screen to access the menu, then click on Monitor Settings and choose Image Config. In the Image Config menu, you can configure 6 parameters: brightness, contrast, chroma, sharpness, tint, and color temperature. Click on brightness to adjust the monitor's brightness. Click on contrast to adjust the monitor's contrast. Click on chroma to adjust the monitor's chroma. Click on sharpness to adjust the monitor's sharpness. Click on tint to adjust the monitor's tint. Click on color temperature to choose from 4% options: 5600K, 6500K, 7500K, and 9300K. You can also select Manual to adjust the red, green, and blue parameters to change the color temperature. You can also set the image configuration through the shortcut panel. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Click Add, select Image Config, and choose any parameter to start adjusting, or add it to the shortcut panel for quick access. In the Image Configuration section, you can adjust 5 parameters one by one: contrast, saturation, sharpness, tint, and backlight brightness. This is the full introduction of the image config function of the CINENORM series monitors.